Hi, welcome back to Redline Race Day. Today, from 1970, we're using the Sizzlers Laguna oval set. The car I'm racing is a Sizzlers 1970 Plymouth Cuda TA. While we have a second, why don't you take that moment to subscribe? Okay, this is the front of the box from the Sizzlers Laguna oval set. This set comes with 16 feet of orange track, 7 joiners, 2 full curves, 2 trestles, 1 Sizzlers car, and a juice machine. The car I'm racing on it today is a 70s Plymouth Cuda TA. This is the reissue of the Sizzler that was released in 2006. If you'd like, you can pause on each frame to have a better look at the packaging. If you flip it over, there's more information underneath. Here's the 70s Plymouth Cuda TA on the turntable. This car has a plastic body, a plastic base, some very nice red line wheels, and the back wheels have rubber bands over the back for extra traction. The interior of the car has a built-in motor and a tiny NiCad rechargeable battery. Like all Sizzlers, the charging port is on the left side of the car. When you flip it over, you'll see the on-off switch. Okay, I'll give it a proper charge, full 90 seconds, and see what it'll do on the track. Here's the same run from 2 different camera angles. That run didn't last a full minute. Let's see how it'll do after another charge. The disadvantage of this track, compared to the fat track, is that the car will flip off a fair bit. Saying that, let's watch the fun. You might be counting laps, I'm counting steps. Here we go. We pause right now for a charge up. I think in the near future I'm going to have to break out the Sizzlers Newport Pacer set. That set came with a single lane speed brake as well. Saying that, let's go back and watch the fun here. I don't know who's more uncoordinated, me or the car. Alright, time for another charge up. Let's see how it'll do now. It's definitely got a mind of its own. This thing is faster than a child running on a white carpet with a cup of coffee. Here we go. Can't find the track again. Alright, here we go. As you can see, that crash killed the battery. Okay, time for a replay. Okay, this is the final charge up. Let's see what will happen next. And there you have it, the 1970 Hot Wheels Sizzlers Laguna Oval set, featuring the Hot Wheels Sizzlers Plymouth Cuda T. It's too bad the car didn't stay on the track as much as I had hoped, but that's it. It happened like that as a kid, and it'll happen like that today. Thanks for joining me on Redline Race Day today. I hope you had a good time. Remember, Hot Wheels goes faster, roll further, and if you like what you saw, why don't you go ahead and click like and subscribe. While you're there, hit that notification bell, because here, you're only going to find the fastest miniature metal cars you've ever seen. I'll see you next race.